Hey friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. What type of keys do kids like to carry? Cookies. In the upcoming weeks, we are going to share some easy and tasty keto diet recipes. We are going to start this series with an easy walnut coconut cookies. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Walnuts, coconut flour, sugar. If you want, you can substitute with stevia, ground nutmeg, butter. In a food processor, add walnuts and pulse until ground. Add coconut flour, sugar, ground nutmeg, unpulse. Add butter chunks and process until everything combines well and forms soft dough. Place dough on a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. We pulled the dough from the fridge. Cut into even pieces. Place on a baking tray. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Remove from oven. Let the cookies cool down. Fresh cookies baked out of the oven. They smell really good. You don't have to go to a bakery. You can simply bake cookies. Enjoy your walnut coconut cookies and make sure to eat them fast enough so your Fitbit thinks you're running. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye.